Over here you can also see a bulk carrier and another bulk carrier. There are some offshore rigs over here, right? This is a chemical tanker, and this vessel is a tanker. This is making way. There's this barge coming in, yeah. So guys, this is what's up, and really enjoying this ferry ride. Like I said before, my last ferry ride was in Japan way back in 2017 from Oshima Island to Sasebo, and I have captured it on my YouTube channel. Definitely go and check it out. So again guys, these guys also have to navigate with extreme caution. As you can see, there is not much of a sea room over here. There is this container vessel which is more than 200 meters in length, and there is also a chemical tanker over there. Now notice there is a barge, right? And there is a hose which is connected. So actually this is kind of a bunkering operation going on. Really refreshing, guys. My Sunday ride to Alibag, Mandwa, and I will be visiting Alibag beach, and let us see guys, as and when time permits. If I get time, I will definitely do some sketching, and as and when I get scenes, I will also tell you on what all subjects to look for whenever you are selecting scene for a painting here.
Se me va como el agua entre los dedos y no lo puedo evitar, a pesar que de pena yo me muero. Tu cariño se me va como el agua entre los dedos y no lo puedo evitar, a pesar.
Okay, so guys, so whenever you will purchase a ticket at Gateway of India, the bus ride is included. But since I'm on cycle and I have come here for cycling, I will be riding a cycle all the way to Alibag beach. I have already fed, so whenever I'm in doubt, I always use Google Maps. But just near the Mandwa jetty, I don't know, there was some issues of network, so I was like clueless of which way to go. So today being Sunday, there is a lot of crowd over here. And first impressions, I've never been to Alibag before. So my first impressions, as you can see, surrounded by nature, really fantastic. Talking about climate, like I said, today is cloudy. So that's again cherry on top of the cake, because I don't have to worry about harsh sun since I'm wearing all black. So I'm already done 50 kilometers, guys. More 20 to go to Alibag beach, and then my return journey starts.
I don't mind if you take a venture, baby. I don't mind if you
kept my camera over here for my time lapse of this view. It's really great, it's colorful, you have waves, you have a fort over there. This is really lively Alibag beach today, and here is my cycle. And guys, I have covered 75 kilometers till now, and the time right now it is 10:45 AM. Yeah, so I left my house at 4:30 AM and now it is 10:35, and it almost took me more than 6 hours to reach over here. And now the plan is to go back. Yeah, so I'll just have some chup and then I will leave. But guys, I'll just give you a little tour of my cycle, which I have customized it. Yeah, so you can see these are the really heavy duty tires. These are not ordinary tires. It has got 27 ply, so that is why makes it more durable. And so guys, by default this cycle comes with approx 18 to 19 kgs, and I have added all these plates over here. These are the galvanized iron plates over here, and added a light. So I actually only yesterday itself I painted the tires white, and now it's really gone because of all these kilometers. Yeah, so this is the update guys. Really enjoying this day, and I wish I had bought more batteries of this GoPro. I'm really short of batteries, you know, because of really limited. I really wanted to minimize my weight because I'm already carrying so much of weight over here. So that is the thing guys.
This cycle is Ghoda cycle.
Yeah, Ghoda cycle. Yeah. See, everybody recognizes it. It is the legendary Ghoda cycle guys. And as you saw, as soon as I entered this Alibag, everybody started clicking photos with my cycle. So that is the thing, and this is the view over here. Really enjoying this day guys, cherishing my century ride.